Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Dear children, a family is a place where minds come in contact with one another. It is an organization where no one gets left behind or forgotten. In the story, The Magic Flute, the woman has already accepted Sukumar as her son. But what about her daughter and husband? Can they allow Sukumar to enter in their lives? Let's find it out. Recap of previous part. Sukumar was an orphan 11-year-old boy who entered a village. Sukumar जणे अनाथ 11 वर्षीय पुओ जे कि गोटे गाँव को प्रवेश कला. He looked for someone who could shelter him for that night. से एमिति एक व्यक्ति को खोजुथुला जे कि सेही राति पाई ताको आश्रय दे पारिबे. A girl's call to her mother reminded him of his mother and he started playing his flute. गोटे झियर माँ डाक ताकू तार मार मन पकई देला ओ से बंसी बजेबा को लागिला. Sukumar's flute tune touched the heart of the village headman's wife. सुकुमार बंसी बादन गाँ मुखियांक पत्नीक हृदय को स्पर्श कला. The meeting and the conversation between Sukumar and the woman was that of a mother and son. सुकुमार ओ मुखियांक स्त्रींक मध्यरे जेउ कथावार्ता हेला ताहा गोटे माँ ओ पुओ मध्यरे हेइथिबा कथावार्ता परी लागिला. Part 2. Text begins. At the age of 5, Sukumar had lost his own mother, but he believed that she still lived within his heart. The flute he carried had been a gift from his father. After the death of his mother, his father would play his own flute every evening before going to bed. One night, Sukumar asked him, "Where is Mama? Why can't we see her anymore?" Putting down the flute, the man said, "Your mother now lives in the house of the gods. Although she is far beyond the sky, she is with us in our hearts." Sukumar then asked, "Are you ever able to meet her in your heart?" Gazing down at the boy, he answered, "Yes, my son, when I play the flute." New words and their meanings. Belief, verb, to feel that someone is telling the truth. विश्वास करिबा. Put down, verb, to put something on the floor. तळे रखिबा किछि जिंस. Able, adjective, capable, सक्षम. Gazing, verb, to look someone steadily. काहाकु निरीखि चाहिबा. Now, the past life of Sukumar is told to the readers. Sukumar lost his mother at the age of 5. He could feel her presence in his heart, but not physically. He was missing his mother very much. One day, he asked his father, why couldn't he see his mother? Where was his mother gone? Then, to console the little child, his father told that his mother was in God's house. Whenever he plays his flute, he could meet his wife in his heart. वर्तमान सुकुमार अतीत जीवन विषय एठारे वर्णना करा जाइछि. सुकुमार अति छोट बयसरु ही माने 5 वर्ष बयसरु ही निज माँ को हराई थिला. से निज माँ को भारी मन पकाउथला, किंतु से ତାଙ୍କୁ ଚର୍ମଚକ୍ଷୁରେ ଦେଖିପାରୁନଥିଲା। ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ନିଜ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲା ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ ମା କେଉଁଠାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କିପରି ମିଶିପାରିବ, ସେତେବେଳେ ସେହି ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟିକୁ ବୁଝାଇବାକୁ ଯାଇ ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା କହିଲେ ଯେ ତାର ମା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦୂର ଆକାଶରେ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କ ଘରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ବଂଶୀ ବଜାନ୍ତି ନିଜ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ନିଜ ହୃଦୟରେ ଦେଖିପାରନ୍ତି, ପାଇପାରନ୍ତି। Oh, how I want to see her. Please make me a flute too, so that I will know she is with me when I play it. Soon afterward, Sukumar's father carefully fashioned a flute for the boy and taught him how to play it. A few days after this, Sukumar's father died. Sukumar took his flute and set out on a journey when he met the village headman's wife, who had called him son. In her, he felt he had found his own true mother once again. As Sukumar entered the yard with the woman, he saw her young daughter Sayapatri. The woman nodded towards Sukumar and said, "Daughter, I have brought home a nice boy to stay with us." "No, I mean I have brought home your brother." Both were happy. Sayapatri, who had no brothers, now had Sukumar, and he in turn now had a sister. New words and their meanings. Fashioned, verb, to make or shape with your hand, nijo hatare tiyari kariba. Yard, noun, an area outside a house with a surrounding wall. Prangana. Nodded, verb, to move up and down your head to show understanding. Mundo halai ishara kariba. In turn, badalare. Sukumar also wanted to meet his mother in his heart. So he requested his father to make a flute for him. His father himself made a flute and taught Sukumar to play it. When Sukumar's father also died, he left the village, began his journey, and reached the village where this woman took Sukumar to her house and made him his son. Sukumar got a sister called Sayapatri. Sayapatri and Sukumar were quite happy together. ସୁକୁମାର ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଜ ମାଆଙ୍କୁ ମିଶିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା, ତେଣୁ ସେ ନିଜ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ନିଜ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ବଂଶୀ ତିଆରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲା। ବାପା ବହୁତ ଯତ୍ନର ସହ ଗୋଟିଏ ବଂଶୀ ତିଆରି କଲେ ଓ ତାକୁ ବଜେଇବାର ମଧ୍ୟ ଶିଖାଇଲେ। ଏହାର କିଛି ଦିନ ପରେ ସୁକୁମାରଙ୍କ ବାପାଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା। ସୁକୁମାର ସେ ଜାଗାଟି ଛାଡ଼ି ବାହାରକୁ ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିଲା। ପରେ ସେ ଏହି ଗାଁରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା, ଯେଉଁଠି ଏହି ମୁଖିଆଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନିଜ ପୁତ୍ର ବୋଲି ମାନି ନିଜ ଘରକୁ ନେଇଗଲେ। ମୁଖିଆଙ୍କ ଝିଅ ସୟାପାତ୍ରୀ ହେଲେ ସୁକୁମାରଙ୍କ ଭଉଣୀ। ଭାଇକୁ ଭଉଣୀ ଓ ଭଉଣୀକୁ ଭାଇ ମିଳିଗଲା। ଉଭୟେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସିରେ ଥିଲେ। Soon the village headman came home. The woman said to her husband, "I met this boy on the road today. He plays the flute very well." During dinner, the man said nothing to the boy. This made Sukumar sad and uncomfortable. After dinner, Sukumar took out his flute and began to play softly. The family sat there silently, enraptured by the boy's music. The next morning, Sukumar got up early and prepared to leave. But the woman stopped him, saying, "We are mother and son, and I won't let you leave your home." And so Sukumar stayed with the family. New words and their meanings. Uncomfortable, adjective, making you feel not relaxed. असहज बा असुखकर अनुभूति। Enraptured adjective, filled with great pleasure, आनंदित। The woman introduced Sukumar as an orphan boy who played flute very well to her husband when he came home back. Sayapatri's father did not talk to him. The village headman's silence made Sukumar sad and uncomfortable in that house. So he decided to leave the house the next morning. But the woman stopped Sukumar, saying that he was her real son and cannot leave his own house. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗାଁ ମୁଖିଆ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ତାଙ୍କର ପରିଚୟ ସୁକୁମାର ସହିତ କରାଇ ଦେଲେ ଯେ ସୁକୁମାର ଜଣେ ଅନାଥ ଯିଏ ବଂଶୀ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ବଜାଏ। ଗାଁ ମୁଖିଆ ସୁକୁମାର ସହିତ କୌଣସି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଲେ ନାହିଁ। ତାଙ୍କର ଏହି ନୀରବତା ସୁକୁମାରକୁ ଦୁଃଖୀ କରିଦେଲା ଓ ସେ ସେଠାରୁ ପଳେଇ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ବାହାରିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଖିଆଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ତାକୁ ସେହି ଘରକୁ ତାର ଘର ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଓ ସେ ନିଜ ଘର ଛାଡ଼ି ଯାଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ। Welcome to the worksheet 2. Children, in 1 you have been given events which you have to arrange in order. पिलामाने एठारे केतेटा घटना दिया जाइछि जो घटना गुडी को कि तमनको सजे की लेखिबार अछि। To match A and B, you have been given column A and column B. In column A, you have persons like Sukumar, Sukumar's father, the woman, and in B section, the statements are said by them, and you have to match them. दुई रे तुमको A और B column match करिया पड़िबो। A रे तुमको सुकुमार, सुकुमारंक बापा और woman ए तीन जनकर ना अछि और B रे सेमानंक द्वारा कुहा जाइथिबा स्टेटमेंट गुडा को अछि। ए दीटी को तुमको मैच करिबा को पड़िबो। In 3, say yes or no. Just we did it earlier. जेमिति के आमे आगरु करिछु एथिरे तीन रे तुमको yes or no कहिबा को पड़िबो। फर्स्ट रे सेंटेंस गुडा को पढ़िबो तापरे से गुड़ाक हाँ कि नाही तार साइड रे लिखिदेव। सो एतिकी थिला पिले तमर वर्कशीट पार्ट। आशा करुछि तुम माने पढ़ाटा को एंजॉय करिथिबो। टिल वी मे मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम, इट्स गुड बाय फ्रॉम मी नाउ।